Hello, people of the internet, and welcome to Boil Noodles at Night. I guess it's pretty simple, we've all been there. I don't sleep yet. Maybe some noodles will make me sleepy and I go back to bed. I mean, in logic, yeah. So trying to go to the toilet at night and stay tired. I want to boil some noodles, I hope there are still some left in the kitchen. Right, so that's so we're an adult this time, look at this. Yeah. So a light switch. Oh, we got zoom. Hello there. We got a zoom feature. It's quite unique actually. I haven't come across games with like built in. Right. So I'm assuming it needs the little right shift, not sprint just yet. Yeah, that one's stuck on. So this room? Oh, got the squatty potty. Right. Oh, we got noodles. Hey, look at that. Isn't that great? Hmm. Okay, this is either I'm thinking this is supposed to be a flower design, right? But it also just looks like someone got brutally murdered here. Eh, wouldn't be uncommon. Okay. Just got noodles lying out there. Just one noodle. just one noodle, guys. That is a singular noodle. It is extremely long though. This won't run me if I want to buy more noodle. Is this this game feels translated. I want to buy more noodle. What are controls in this game? Right. Oh, okay. So we can still look around. I don't know if this is actually pauses the game. If it does, that'd be kind of broken. So Q. We got flashlight. Oh. Okay, so it takes a second to light up, right? I guess we're on our way out. I keep clicking the right. Oh, and we just live in the void. I want to go right. Yeah, there's nothing left. Okay, right. Close the door. Then you don't live in like a neighborhood with anything going on, huh? Hmm? Hey, that's a store, I believe. Just get hit by a car and that's how the game ends. Now, I know there's 3 possible game endings. I might go back at the end and see if I can... Oh. Hello there. Hi sir, what do you want to buy? I want to buy noodles, sir. Noodles? Yeah, man. The noodles are gone. I think. Bruh. Whew. Okay, you made me jump there, bruh. Oh, I don't like the way your head turns. I don't... Can I go back? Oh. That is not natural. You're just chill. You're just chilling. This man's head rotates like 360 degrees. But if I'm found dead, this guy did it. Oh, and it's deloaded. Noodles are gone. Well, I want. But yeah, I mean, cut your losses, I guess. Man with a neck that can rotate like an owl. You know, following you home and all. Maybe. It just feels like. I don't know, maybe you should lock your door. No idea. Maybe. That's not how I left my house. Yep. Okay. Right. Yeah, get blinded. I mean, surely that would, like... if, like, there was an intruder on the inside, they'd get blinded by that. I'm not... That is bizarre. Why are there 2 noodles there? Okay. I want to cook it. I mean, that's fair enough. I don't trust that, and we can't open it now. Hello? Hello? Oh. I forgot to buy water, there's no water in my house, I want to buy water. Oh, well, we gotta go back. Back. Hi there. Hi there, sir. Don't mind me blinded. Oh. Only $1. Okay. Oh dear. Friend. Who? The person before you said you guys. Whoa. Hello no. Oh man, I don't know him. Yeah, he turned his neck 360 degrees. Did you know. You live alone at home? Yes, I'm new here, I don't know anyone. I should just expect him there. He doesn't have a face as well, which is like really disconcerting. He just has like a vague feature of like eyes in it. Hey, push up, buddy boy. Is he the man with the foul odor? Okay, he's no longer turning his neck 360 degrees. Oh, right. Yeah, you upset because I called you like a freak or something. Turn your neck 360 degrees. That was like a bit weird. Alright, I'm just gonna go walk alone to my house where I live alone. Goodbye, stranger man. We're getting murdered. Straight up, we're getting murdered. We're getting murdered. Oh my gosh. We like walk around our house or something. Like a back entrance. Okay, we can. Oh, never mind. We can't. Okay. I wonder if we just stole the water. Like, do we have to pay? I mean, morally we should, right? I told him, I guess. Close. That was a very like certain thud. Right. Well, at least because we've got a small house, it's very easy to like monitor everything. You know. Need noodle. I don't want to answer that. I got a giant window there. You should probably put some blinds on that or something. Let me see who's there. Oh dear. I don't know. Were we the ones? Oh, we can turn this light on now. I feel like if we turn it on, it like I mean, obviously they can't hear that, I guess, or see this light on. I'm just not sure. Did we turn that light off? Oh, we can. That's kind of cool. I mean, we might get murdered, and our last meal will be some like instant ramen. So this is boiled. I like. Oh, I guess we're waiting for that. Hey, what? Just pocketed the entire. Oh, right. Chair to sit in it. Oh, look, a conveniently very large chair. This is like ideal single guy live in. Just one plate. Oh damn, when do we like add egg? It's time to eat. Maybe if there is a juice drink, it will look better. Oh, okay. Here's where like the split endings come in, I guess. Very hungry. I want to eat now. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it now. I feel like it's probably not safe to leave the house right now. Oh, of course, because we can also absolutely shovel it down. Can we sleep? Hey, look at that. We boiled noodles at night with just a few minor potential stalkings. You eat noodles and your stomach is very full and you sleep well. But the next day, your stomach hurts. Good ending! We achieved a good ending. Look at that. Look at that, honestly. We are just amazing, right? The game has 3 different endings. So, I'm gonna go back and try and get both the other endings. We're back, yeah. Wait, the 2 noodles now. I don't know if I'm crazy or if I just heard someone breathing on the other side of that door. Oh, either way, enjoy episode 2. That'll show him. Right. Gotta go get some water. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I forgot to check the pot. That is interesting. That didn't come up the first time. I feel like that's probably to make this a bit quicker to get alternate endings. I guess. Oh. Huh. Oh, we're just looking up. Hey, look at that. Moving. A brisk jog down the road. The guy's gonna be like, why'd you keep coming back to buy the stuff, like make a list or something? Right. No water, because apparently it just doesn't exist in this universe. The idea of... I keep doing that. The idea of... maybe. I don't know. Be fair, I'm trying to guess where we are from the architecture and stuff. I'm gonna assume we're like in some rural Japanese type town. Right. I'm a thirsty boy. Yeah, we get it. I'm probably being stalked by this guy. Smell a foul odor over here. I didn't record it, but yeah, if you turn around quickly, you can see this guy walking and he scratches his butt. So maybe that has something to do with it. We got a stinky stalker, right? Vosk. Okay, we're gonna get a knock on the door soon, I believe. Okay. This will be purely for an end. Hello? Creepy stalker, man. Oh, never mind. We could have checked it. Probably just to scare us. Maybe, I don't know. Hey. I wanted to buy a juice drink, but no, to the door. Okay, so at least they acknowledges it. No, that's fair enough. If you don't have, I can imagine getting quite thirsty in a house like this. Keep pressing E to interact. Wrong game. It's interesting how they, the developer actually put in the kind of the quality of life feature of giving you shift to run in, because it's quite a small game. It's quite short and sweet, which I like. Hello there. Want to buy something? Bruh. Yeah, who are you and what did you do in the man in the white shirt? Him? He's behind you. I can't tell if you're... I don't know, maybe it's wise to run home this guy. I gotta keep talking now, we gotta figure out. Oh, can't find the juice drink, so... Get flashlighted, I guess. And the man in the white shirt, yeah, appreciate you talking, but... Yeah. Oh dear. It appears as if my chair has fallen over. And I'm totally gonna pretend that I didn't just see someone in that room right there. So it was the man in the white shirt. He is the... made into noodles. You are what you eat, I guess. I was kind of... Wait, so... What was the random dude then? Did he know something we didn't? I gotta go back. We gotta go back and try and find that last ending. I need the lore. Right. Bruh, the door's open. How did... Didn't know that was some dialogue before. Oh. Right. I will be honest, I had to look up a bit of a tutorial, but I haven't actually seen this ending. You fell asleep with the stove is on and your house is on fire and your body is scorched. Secret ending. Death. I mean, well, two endings result in death. That's rather interesting. But yeah, that was boil noodles at night. Actually, quite a good one. But yeah, here is the uh handle, and yeah, I highly recommend you actually try this game out. Um, but yeah, that was actually like that was a really fun one to play. Despite the fact now I'm really confused on the lore of it, but you know, maybe if this video somehow gets like 1 million views, MatPat will make like a game theory video on it.